Have you ever looked at your iPhone and seen something like this? Those frustrating vertical or horizontal lines stretching across the screen can be a real headache. They make it hard to see anything and feel like your phone is on its last leg. But don't panic. Before you rush out to buy a new phone, there are a few simple things you can try right now to fix it. We'll start with the easiest fixes and work our way up to the more complex ones. So make sure to watch until the end to figure out what's really going on with your phone. Option number 1, the quick restart. First, let's try the easiest and most common fix, a simple restart. This can solve a ton of minor software glitches. There are 2 ways to do this. The simple way, go to your settings, tap on general, scroll all the way down, tap on shutdown, slide the power off slider, wait about 30 seconds, then turn your phone back on. And then the force restart. This is a bit more powerful. Quickly press and release the volume up and the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Once you see the logo, you can let go. After you've done this, check your screen. Did the lines disappear? If so, great. If not, don't worry, we have another trick up our sleeve. Option number 2 is software update. Believe it or not, an outdated operating system can cause all sorts of display issues. Apple regularly releases updates that fix bugs and glitches. So updating your iOS could be a simple solution you're looking for. Head back into your settings here, tap on general, and select software update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. This might take a few minutes, but it's often the fix for those mysterious screen lines. Once the update is complete, see if your screen is back to normal. Option number 3 is check for hardware issues. So you've tried restarting and updating, but the lines are still there. It's time to figure out if there's a software problem or a more serious hardware issue. Here's a simple test you can do at home. First, if you have a screen protector on your phone, carefully peel it off. Sometimes a poorly applied or damaged screen protector can create the illusion of lines. Once the screen is clear, gently press and hold your finger on one of the lines on your screen. Did the line change color? Did the lines change, flicker, or disappear when you applied pressure? If they did, that's a strong sign that the problem is a physical hardware issue with the screen itself. In that case, your best bet is to take it to an Apple store or an authorized repair shop. They can run a full diagnostic and let you know if the screen needs to be replaced. Option number 4, the last resort. If the lines didn't react when you pressed on them, we have one final powerful software fix to try: a full factory reset. Now, before you panic about losing all your photos and messages, don't worry. This process will completely erase your phone, but you can restore everything from backup afterwards, so you won't lose a thing. So make sure you do your backup before proceeding. To do this, go to settings, tap on general, then select transfer reset iPhone. From there, choose erase all content in settings. Your phone will walk you through the process of wiping everything clean and reinstalling the software. Once it's finished, you've restored your data. Check your screen one last time. If the lines are gone, you know it was a software glitch. If they're still there after all these steps, it's almost certainly a hardware problem, and you'll need to seek professional help. Ever have issues connecting your iPhone to CarPlay? Check out this video for the most common issues.